another cold, windy day, but for some reason today it's like extremely cold. I mean, I guess it's not that bad, but for this time of year it's pretty bad. Like, I'm wearing this heavy sweater right now and I'm like freezing. But anyways, I need to get in some kind of exercise. So what I'm gonna do is, first I'm gonna go use this like exercise thingy we have in our backyard. Then I'll probably go do some like sprints or something on my bike. Then I'll probably go inside and do some like planks and exercises for my hands. There's been like plenty of times where I've been out riding for like a few hours straight, and I've like taught myself not to grip onto the bars really tight. Like, I grip just tight enough to hold myself onto the bike properly, but like I don't like squeeze like some people do, because then their hands get like cramped and stuff like that. But my hands like literally lock up after a few hours. Like, I have to literally like pull them off the bars with my arms and then like hit them on something to get them unlocked, and then once I get one hand unlocked, then I just can pull the other hand. It's like so painful. I don't know if that's ever like happened to other people, but if it's happened to you, leave it in the comments. Okay, now that we got that done, I'm gonna finish cleaning Bryson's air filter, and then once it dries, I'm just gonna leave it out in the wind and the sun, and hopefully that would dry it soon enough. Then we'll finish oiling it, and I need to tighten the chains on the bikes. And then we might get to go out for a ride. I'm pretty sure we will. But anyways, let's finish cleaning this air filter. I don't know if that shot worked, but that's about as clean as it's gonna get. All this like dark stuff isn't dirt, it's like stuck on or whatever. I think we're gonna get a new air filter next time we have to clean it. This will work. Now I just need to, hopefully it'll dry out in time for us to go riding, which will be in like a few hours. So I'm just gonna set it out in the sun, and then the wind is blowing, so that'll probably dry it off. Actually, I think I got a better idea. I think that'll, I'm pretty sure that'll work. I mean, it should. Probably the best idea I've ever had in my life, honestly. Alright, so I got something pretty exciting in the mail today. Let me show you guys. The moment we've all been waiting for. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Real quick, let me show you what my other boots are looking like. Let me just put this on here so I don't get the table all dirty. Alright, so this is how bad my boots are looking right now. First of all, my ankle strap's been broke off. For like over a year, so it's kind of loose there. I got a hole right there that goes all the way into my foot. Got a hole right there that goes all the way into my foot. Yes, I get dirt and sand and even sticks sometimes in there. Got another hole right there. The one in my other boot is a lot worse, but they also have like a whole lot of bend to them with all these holes. Also, I got new pants and a new jersey. I love how there's like designs and stuff on this leather right here. It's pretty sweet. My pants that I've been wearing like don't have leather right there, so this is what they look like from my knee braces. Got that right there, and then this right there, which I don't care about that much, except it's starting to rub on the knee brace itself, and I don't really want that because these cost more than my brand new dirt bike, so yeah. Alright, so we got all our gear on, got my bike ready, got Bryson's bike ready, and we're about to head out. Alright, so normally I shoot on wide on the GoPro, but this time I'm going to try super view, which is like more of a wider lens, so there's like, you'll kind of see the bars more of the bike a little bit more, but it's kind of got like more of a fisheye look to it, so I don't know if I'll like that or not. So basically today in this video we're just going to test out the super view and we'll see which one I like better. Oh my god, I cannot ride in these new boots. I should take more time to break them in. was trying to do some like warm-up stuff in the yard because I was like not used to these, and I couldn't catch myself at all because I was like following, and I couldn't catch myself because I was just so not used to these things. They're like so stiff, and then the soles are like this much thicker, and so I fell and snapped my handguard off. So that's why we're running with no handguards right now. This is gonna get interesting because I don't know how to ride these boots yet. Oh my gosh, this is such a challenge for me. I really wish I would have took more time to actually break him in. He's probably gonna make it easier than I do.
Seems like he's doing pretty good.
Yeah. Oh wow. I can't use these brakes right now. This is so weird. Oh. Woo. This is gonna be an interesting part because I gotta use my brakes and everything through here, and I'm not good at that. Woo. These boots are also a whole lot wider too. That's something else that I noticed. They're like a lot more wide, and they got those big soles, and I'm just trying to get used to it. And so the only way to make me feel better about struggling right now is to whine about it non-stop on camera. Try this again. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh no. All good?
I got confused what line to take.
Alright, where should we go? Let's go this way. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't control the back. Oh! It's like I'm trying to focus on using the back brake because I have to like really think about it, otherwise it's gonna mess up. And so then I forget to do everything else. Alright, let's try a hill climb. That's hard for me. What way? Messed that up. Oh no, I dropped my bike. Oh no. What am I gonna do now? Oh no. Take two. About time. Now the hardest part. Trying to make it down with no brake control. Oh, that's gonna scrape. No, it's not. Oh my gosh. Woo! It's like I had so much bike control before with my back brake. Like that was one of my specialties, was just bike control. Now I don't really have any. Takes a hard line. Oh man, I thought he was gonna take a hard line. Where is he going? Oh boy. Oh. I don't really know what we're doing right now. We're just kind of messing around. Oh wow. Alright, we're out at the track now, and I'm gonna do like a bunch of laps until the sun goes down so that hopefully I can get used to these boots. Alright, sun's going down. Let's throw in a couple laps. I've been riding this track quite a bit and it's good, so it's starting to feel a little bit better. Not a whole lot though. I'm not gonna jump this. Not gonna jump this. Slow down. Oh! Accidentally hit the brake. Oh! Just finish this lap. This is so hard. I'm struggling so much right now. It's like not even funny anymore. Alright, we're heading back now. And I'll catch back in with you guys when we get home. Alright, we're back now. As you can tell, it's dark. And that was a pretty fun ride, other than the whole time I was just complaining about my boots because... Well, I wasn't complaining about the boots, I was just complaining that I couldn't ride in them because I was so unused to them because they're like a whole lot different than my other boots that I ride in. And I don't know, it's just really frustrating when you like done something like a million times and you like, you know you can do it and you want to do it, but it's like the boots kind of get in your way because you like just can't control a back brake or anything at all because you're just so unused to it. And I don't know, it's just kind of frustrating, but whatever, we'll get them broken, I'll get used to them and it'll be good. But anyways, tomorrow we're going to be doing something really fun. I'm like super excited for it, so I'm not going to say what it is, so you'll just have to wait till tomorrow, but you definitely don't want to miss it. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video, so thanks for watching.